In this video, you'll learn how to reset your password on Robinhood. By following these steps, you will regain access to your account with a new password that you create. To begin the process, navigate to the Robinhood website. You can do this by entering the URL into your web browser. Once the site loads, you will see the main interface where you can access your account. Next, locate the gear icon labeled Settings at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will take you to the settings menu where various account options are available. After that, find and select the option for security and privacy within the settings menu. This section is crucial as it contains the options related to your account's security. Once you are in the security section, click on the security tab. This will bring you to a page where you can manage your security settings, including password updates. Next, look for the link that reads, Keep your Robinhood account secure with additional layers of protection. Clicking on this will lead you to the password management area. Now, click on the password option. This selection will allow you to change your password, ensuring your account remains secure. After that, click on Update Password to proceed with the reset process. This action will present you with fields to enter your current and new passwords. You will then need to click on Current Password. This field is where you will input your existing password to authenticate your identity before making changes. Type in your current password carefully. Make sure to double check for any typos, as this will be necessary for the next steps. Next, click on New Password to move to the next field. This is where you will create a new password that meets the security requirements of Robinhood. Enter your new password in the designated field. Ensure it is strong and secure, combining letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum. After that, click on Confirm New Password. This action requires you to re-enter the new password to ensure accuracy. Type in your new password again in the confirmation field. This step is vital to confirm that both entries match. Finally, click on Save to complete the password reset process. A confirmation message should appear indicating that your password has been successfully updated. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.